Let's start off by making a magic ring. Leave along a short tail and then wrap the yarn around your fingers. Put your thumb on the X, wrap it till the other end, hold it with your middle finger. Insert your hook under the loops, pull the second loop to the front and twist it. Then chain 1 to secure the ring. Now remove your fingers from the ring and hold it. Then let's start round 1. For round 1 you have to make 8 single crochet into the magic ring. Insert your hook into the ring, pull the yarn, you got 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, and you made 1 single crochet. You have to make 8 single crochets for round 1. After making 8 single crochet, pull the tail and the ring will be closed completely. For round 2 you have to make an increase in each stitch. So insert your hook into the first single crochet, then pull the tail and make the single crochet first, and then mark it with the stitch marker so you will not lose the starting point of round 2. Then to make an increased stitch, make another single crochet in the same stitch and it becomes an increased stitch. So make 2 single crochet each in each of the stitches, and when you reach the stitch marker you will get a total of 16 stitches. When you reach the start point, remove the stitch marker and let's start round 3. The first stitch of round 3 is a bobble stitch, and to make it, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull the yarn, and you got 3 loops, yarn over and insert your hook again, then pull the yarn. Now you got 5 loops on your hook, then yarn over and insert your hook again and pull the yarn, and you got 7 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 7 loops, and you will get a bobble stitch like this. And after a bobble stitch you have to make 3 single crochet. So make a single crochet each in next of the 3 stitches. Don't forget to put a stitch marker on the first bobble stitch you made so you will not lose the track. After 3 single crochet, make a bobble stitch again, and after the bobble stitch make 3 single crochet. You have to repeat this pattern, a bobble stitch and 3 single crochet pattern for 4 times, and when you reach the start point you will get 4 bobble stitches in total. These bobble stitches are the legs of the frog. After round 3, let's move on to round 4 and 5. Round 4 and 5 have the same pattern. So what you have to do is you have to make a single crochet in each of the stitches. So in round 4 you will get 16 single crochet, and when you complete round 4, move on to round 5, single crochet each stitch, and you will get a total of 16 single crochet. So this is the pattern for round 4 and 5. Just single crochet in each stitch. After round 5, let's move on to round 6. Make a single crochet first and then put the stitch marker. After that, we will make a bubble stitch. So make a bubble stitch. After the bubble stitch, make 2 single crochet, and after that 2 single crochet, make a bubble stitch. In round 6, you will have to make only 2 bubble stitches, and these will be the eyes of the frog. After the second bubble stitch, make 11 single crochet. That means you have to make single crochet in each of the rest of the stitches. After 11 single crochet, stuff the frog and we will move on to the last round. For the last round, you have to make 8 decreases. I will show you 2 ways of making the decrease stitch. The first way is to insert your hook into the next stitch and pull the yarn, then insert your hook into another stitch and pull the yarn. Then pull through all 3 loops and you got 1 decrease stitch. For another way, insert your hook into the front loops of the 2 stitches. This is the front loop. Put your hook into the front loops of the next 2 stitches and then pull the yarn and make a single crochet. And this is also a decrease stitch. You can use any kinds of ways to make a decrease stitch, but make sure that you have to get a total of 8 stitches. When you finished making 8 stitches, leave a long tail for sewing. Before sewing the last round, take your black thread and add the details of the frog face. Add a little mouth and the eyes. If you don't have eye beads, then you can use your black thread to make the eyes. But for me personally, I prefer sticking the eye beads. So this is the example of making the eyes if you don't have the beads. But for those who have the eye beads, you can use 3mm eyes and glue and stick on your frog. This is how I sew the last round. When you finished sewing, don't cut the yarn. Make the yarn to come out from the bottom and sew the paper clip at the bottom. If you don't have the paper clip or if you don't want to sew it on the bottom of your frog, then you can use the bookmark strap that I added on my mushroom bookmark. So if you want to follow that steps, please skip to the back part of the video. Make sure to secure the yarn and also weave in the ends. After that, you get your mini frog bookmark. For the mushroom's body, use white yarn and make 8 single crochet into the magic ring. And then after that, pull the tail. And let's move on to round 2. For round 2, 3, and 4, you have to single crochet each stitch. And you will get a total of 8 single crochet in each row. Don't forget to put a stitch marker on the first single crochet of a new row, so you will not lose the track. After round 4, you will get like this. And for round 5, you have to make increases for 8 times. For an increase stitch, you have to make 2 single crochet in one stitch. And to complete this round 5, you have to make 2 single crochet in each stitch. And you will get a total of 16 single crochet. You will get like this when you finished round 5, and chain 1 and cut the yarn. You can stuff the mushroom body. And now we will move on to the mushroom cup. For this mushroom cup, please follow this pattern and leave a long tail for sewing. Now let's sew the white and the red parts together. When you finished sewing, shape the mushroom like this by pressing like this, and don't forget to secure the yarn. When you finished weaving in the ends, let's add the details for the mushroom. Take a white long thread and put the white spots wherever you like. Don't forget to secure the yarn and hide it whenever you finished sewing. Now I will show you how to add the bookmark strap. Make a slip knot and then attach the yarn at the bottom of the mushroom. So what you have to do is insert your hook in the middle bottom of the mushroom and then attach the loop. Take the loop and come out from the middle and chain 1. For this strap you have to make 50 chains. So to make chains, yarn over and pull through the loop and you got 1 chain. So repeat making like this until you get 50 chains. After 50 chains, I will add a tiny leaf at the bottom. So skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet and then yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops and you got a half double crochet. For a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn, pull through the 2 loops and pull through the last 2 loops. Make another double crochet in another chain and then make a half double crochet into the next chain. You can skip this step if you don't want to. You can just add the yarn, or you can just cut the yarn, or you can even add like flowers or crochet strawberry at the bottom of the strap. And to complete this sleeve, turn your work and work on the other side of the chains. Make a half double crochet, 2 double crochet, after 2 double crochet, make a half double crochet into the next chain and then a slip stitch. For a slip stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull the yarn and pull through the loop. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Don't forget to hide the yarn. So now the tutorial is finished. Congratulations, you made the cutest bookmark. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please don't forget to like this video and also click on the subscribe button so I can upload more of like this in the future. If you made one by following my tutorial, then don't forget to mention me on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. With that being said, see you all in my next video. Bye bye!